What is up, everybody? Average Model Guy here, bringing you part 3 of our Revell F-18 Hornet. Moving right along, as you can see, I got the canopy all masked off here. Just get this up a little bit so it can swivel around. I did that, and I got the intakes all sponged off for when we paint. Yeah, got the wingtips on. It's looking pretty good. I think what we're going to tackle in today's episode is going to be getting all the knick-knack stuff put on here, minus the engines and minus the landing gears and wheels. We'll get the hard points on and all that, and there's some other various little pieces. I'll come down here to the instructions. We got the tail hook. We can probably throw on there. Probably the landing gear flaps we'll throw on. Yeah. Got the rest of the stuff we got to get on there. But yeah, stuff that's going to be painted all the same color. Definitely going to have to get on there. We got our hard points over here we're going to get put on there. So yeah, that's what we're going to tackle. So I'm going to get everything snipped and on the mat here, and I'll come back and show you what we're in for this episode. I'm really hoping to get primer on this bad boy tonight, if not paint. So we'll see what happens, and I'll be right back. Okay, we are back. Here's what we got cut out for us to get under the underside of the F-18. I left these attached because they look like they're different sizes, and I didn't want to have to keep track of them, but those are going to go underneath for the flaps. These small pieces here are going to go underneath too as well, so I just kind of left them attached so I don't lose them. We've got all this up here, and this we all need to assemble and get underneath before I can put some primer on this bad boy. So I'm going to get this all assembled, get it underneath, and going to have to mask off the white so I don't get overspray on it for now. But yep, we'll get this done, and I'll be back when it's all assembled. All right, and we are back. As you can see, I got all the little knick-knack pieces on there. It's kind of hard to see because I've got it sponged and taped off because I'm getting ready to throw some primer on this bad boy. But we got all the pieces on here, and we are ready for some primer. So I'm gonna get a light gray primer on this. Yep, light gray primer, and yeah, once that's done, I'll come back and I'll show you what she looks like all primered up. Be right back. All right, we are back. We have primer on this bad boy now. Yep, looking pretty good. Pulled the canopy off just to make sure I didn't get anything in there, and I did pretty good, so I just gotta tighten that down when I actually put the final coat on there. Started to do a little bit of pre-shading underneath there. I'm not going to worry about pre-shading the top because it's going to be all black anyways. So, yep, I will get it pre-shaded and probably the black coat on top done. And then we'll come back and we'll take a look at it. Alrighty, we are back. We've got our lovely F-18 in our beautiful shade of black here. Let's see if I can pick this bad boy up one-handed and show you the pre-shading underneath. There we go. That's all supposed to be all jet black there, and there's all my pre-shading. Shine it over in the light a little bit better. Got all the pre-shading done. Still got my stuff masked off. Gonna go ahead and get the blue color on underneath, and once I get that done, I'm gonna hit it with some good clear coat, some shiny clear coat, and then we'll start working on some weathering. But I think that's gonna do it for this episode, fellas. So if you wouldn't mind slapping that like button, and if you aren't already a subscriber, please hit that subscribe button, turn on the notification bell so you know when I post the next videos, and I will see you guys in the next build. Thanks.